Changing your engine oil is an important part of regular vehicle maintenance, and it's a relatively simple process that can be done at home with the right tools and a little bit of knowledge. Here are the basic steps to changing your engine oil. You'll need a few things to change your engine oil, including a wrench or socket set to remove the oil drain plug, an oil filter wrench to remove the oil filter, a drain pan to catch the old oil, a funnel to add the new oil, and an oil filter to replace the old ones. Warm up your engine. Start your vehicle and let it run for a few minutes to warm up the engine. This will help the oil flow more easily when you drain it. Locate the drain plug. Locate the oil drain plug on the bottom of the engine. Use your wrench or socket set to loosen and remove the plug. Remove the old oil filter. Locate the oil filter and use the oil filter wrench to remove it. Install the new oil filter. Apply a thin layer of new oil to the gasket on the new oil filter, then screw it onto the engine by hand. Refill with new oil. Use the funnel to add the recommended amount of new oil to the engine. Check the owner's manual or consult a mechanic to determine the correct type and amount of oil to use. Check the oil level. Use the dipstick to check the oil level. The oil level should be between the minimum and maximum marks on the dipstick. Start the engine and check for leaks. Start the engine and let it run for a few minutes. Check underneath the vehicle for any leaks. Dispose of the old oil. Take the used oil and filter to a recycling center or an auto parts store that accepts used oil for recycling. That's it. With these steps, you can change your engine oil and keep your vehicle running smoothly.